If you want to free up storage space on Google Pixel 10, what you have to do is open the Files app that you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Now, once you are here, you can of course find pretty much every file that you have on your phone. So you can either go through these categories and decide what you don't need anymore, or you can tap on these three dots in the top left corner, and then over here we have the clean option, which can give you a smart summary. Well, I call it smart because we can see duplicates, we can see large files, and so on and so forth. So this can be quite useful as well. So if you have no idea what you can get rid of, you can just try to use these options over here. But ideally, you probably want to go through, let's say, images or videos or downloads, and you can try to remove anything that you are certain you don't need anymore. So you can, for example, tap on three dots over here on the right side, and then we have move to trash. And of course, these files will stay in trash for 30 days as you remove them. But you can actually go to the trash over here, and you can remove permanently. So now it's gone forever, and you got more space. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.